Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Vibe. If your JVC Smart TV update keeps failing, you're not alone. Many users face this problem. The TV tries to install an update, but it freezes, restarts, or shows an error like update failed. Please try again. Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you simple, step-by-step methods to fix this issue and get your TV running smoothly again. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection is the #1 reason your TV update fails. Go to Settings, Network, check connection on your JVC Smart TV. If your TV is not connected or the signal is weak, restart your Wi-Fi router. Move the TV closer to the router, or use a wired Ethernet connection for stable internet. Once the internet is stable, try updating again. Many times, this simple step fixes the issue instantly. Step 2. Restart and power cycle the TV. Sometimes a temporary system glitch can interrupt the update. Here's how to power cycle. Turn off your JVC TV. Unplug it from the wall socket. Wait 60 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. This clears cached memory and resets temporary files. Now, head back to Settings, System, Software Update and try again. Step 3. Free up internal storage. Another common reason for update failure is low storage space. Go to Settings, Storage, Apps or Files. Delete unwanted apps, old recordings, or cache data. If your TV has less than 500 megabytes free, updates can fail. After cleaning up, try the update once more. It should download and install smoothly. Step 4. Update via USB. If the update still fails online, use the USB update method. Visit the official JVC support website on your computer. Search your TV model and download the latest firmware file. Copy it to a USB drive, FAT32 formatted. Insert it into the TV's USB port. Go to Settings, System Update via USB. This method works even if Wi-Fi updates fail repeatedly. Step 5. Factory reset. If nothing else works, perform a factory reset. This will erase all apps and settings, so back up your data first. Steps. Go to Settings, Device Preferences, Reset. Choose Factory Data Reset. Once done, reconnect to Wi-Fi and check for updates again. Your JVC Smart TV should now update successfully. And that's it. By following these methods, your JVC Smart TV should update without any issues. If the problem continues, contact JVC customer support for a firmware reinstallation. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more JVC TV fixes, and drop a comment below sharing which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.